Hello and welcome back to Davos video. Today we're revisiting the topic of image alignment. In my creating tables video, I had come up with this solution for adding text beside an image. It works well enough and is still a good option. However, I have recently discovered another way of adding text beside images without the use of a table. So let's dive in. This next part is copied directly from the WikidPad help document. This section references URLs in general, but is especially useful for images. You can control details of URL presentation, especially for images, by using an URL appendix. This consists of a lowercase sign character directly after the URL with no spaces, and some code characters which can be delimited by semicolons. We're looking at A, you can set the alignment of the image. And the following character defines which alignment. So for instance, you would use AT for it to align vertically, AM for it to align in the middle, AB for the bottom, AR for the right, or AL for left. So let's take a look at a couple examples. I'm going to paste an image into the image alignment examples page. Now that I have my image, I will remove the brackets. At the end of the image, I'm going to resize the image to 50%, so R 50%. Then I will delineate between the suffix with a semicolon, and then I want to set the alignment of the image. In this case, I'm going to set the alignment to the right side of the page. So A for alignment, R for right side of the page. Now, if you look at it in preview, you can see that the image is now set to the right side of the page. I'm going to reduce the image size again before we begin adding text. As you can see, the image is now on the right side of the page with the text flowing around the image. Let's see what it looks like now with the alignment shifted to the left side of the page. And again, we will switch the alignment to middle. This sets the alignment of the image to the middle of this text line. Now we set the alignment to top. This sets the image alignment to the top of this line. Lastly, we set the alignment to bottom, which aligns the image to this text line. For one last test, let's set the image alignment to the right, and we will add the image partway through our text. I think this is a really neat way to add images to your text while keeping the flow. If you guys think of any more interesting use cases, let me know in the comments below. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching. Godspeed.